Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for this incredible recognition. I am yet to fully fathom what being honored with Sportsperson of the Year feels like. But what I do know that this feeling is every bit special. The seed of this victory was sown in the dreams of a 7-year-old girl who wanted to represent India at the international level. Ever since then, the journey has been one of significant trials and challenges. Every single day filled with grit, determination, practice, and giving your blood and sweat, and most importantly, waking up every single day to put Indian cricket on the global map. For all the success that I have been bestowed with, I cannot thank my parents, the selectors, the teammates, my coaches, and all the well-wishers for helping this young girl achieve her dreams and allowing her to stand in front of you all and accept this award. So thank you so much to each one of you. Also, a big shout out to all the other nominees. You guys have done a great job and I'm so proud of each one of you. This award is just a reminder that I have a long way to go and many cricketing victories to achieve. So please continue to shower all your love, and I cannot wait to do India more proud. Thank you so much for this award. Hello everyone, welcome back to the English Web. I am Bhageshri. So that was just an example of a thank you speech, one that is given by a sports person. In today's video, I shall be focusing on the do's and don'ts of a thank you speech. So let's get started with the video. Coming to the do's, the first and the most important point is just showing gratitude to everybody around. Now, it is not just important to just say thank you, but also tell people how much you mean it. So just try and reach out to everybody through your speech, everybody who has been a part of your success. So be it your fans, your well-wishers, or your parents, or your teammates, anybody, depending on which field you are in. Just try and thank everybody who's been a part of the journey. Acknowledge all the other nominees and tell them how proud you are of each one of them, because everybody has worked hard to get to where they are, and it is only fair that you wish them luck for their journey. The third point is making your speech inspiring. Make it inspiring in the sense that you want to make it more relatable. You want to tell the people out there that if you could make it so far, then others also can do that through your journey. The fourth point is sharing a message or a promise, I would say. When you talk about sharing a promise, you want to tell people that you are not done yet. You still have a long way to go, and you still have many more milestones to achieve, and you still want people to show faith in you and continue bestowing love and blessings upon you. So that is very important. So tell them that you're willing to work extra hard, and this is just a very good reminder that you're just willing to go ahead in this career of yours and just do more people proud. So I think that is again a very important point, and something that you don't want to compromise upon, especially when you are on a public platform accepting an award or some honor. So the first and the most important point under don'ts is not going unprepared. Now, a lot of people may think that it's just it's giving a thank you speech isn't a great deal, but you sure do not want to go up there unprepared, not knowing what to really say, because most of the times if you go unprepared, you are likely to end the speech in just a few seconds, or just losing track of what you are speaking, and there are high chances that you may miss out on some important points, or you may miss out on thanking some really important people who've been a part of your success. So don't go unprepared. At least try and put together some important points which will give you some idea about how to frame your thank you speech. And the second point is, do not add a lot of names. That would only make your speech very boring, and people may not find it relatable anymore. So try and keep your speech sweet and short. The third point is, do not make the speech all about yourself. Since it's a thank you speech, you want to show gratitude. by accepting the award, it is loud and clear that you are the one who's won the award or the honor. So people already know more about you, but it's about showing your gratitude and sharing what it has taken for you to get to where you have reached, and who all have been involved in that. So try and be as grateful and thankful as possible, and try not talking too much about your journey and yourself all the time. Just try and make it a well balanced speech, and that just give credits wherever it is due, and just make it relatable. The fourth point would be not using very long sentences, because that would break up the link of your speech. Try and keep the sentences short and simple, and also at the same time, you don't want to give the impression that you memorized your speech. You do not want to do that. Make it seem as natural as possible. Do have an idea of the flow of the speech. That is more important than anything else. And overall, try and be very honest and genuine. So don't fake anything. So that would be the next point. Just don't be unrealistic or don't be fake. Just use a very honest tone of voice, and let people connect with who the real you is. So again, that's an important don't. So these were some important do's and don'ts when it comes to giving a thank you speech. Again, I would like to emphasize that you want to ensure that your thank you speech comes across as very genuine and natural. So do not try and memorize, just understand how you want to go about giving the speech. But also at the same time, do know that you are up on a stage, and you do not want to make a blunder. You do not want to get off the stage very quickly, or just don't want to spend a lot of time there. So make sure in your head you are doing what needs to be done, and you're doing justice to your speech. And if there is any other points that you feel are very important when it comes to a thank you speech, then do share them in the comment section below. I'm sure everybody will benefit from them. So if you've liked this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button. Do share the video and subscribe to the English Web. I shall see you guys very soon. Goodbye.